Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold for a while this blue dot and swipe it to the right side with your finger by this way. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first here in volume button controls, just you should select the ringtone, and now just by press our up volume button we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can do it by the third way, just by swipe this dot to the up, this volume panel to the up with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.